in downtown Buffalo, New York. We're on Main Street. It's my first time in Buffalo, New York. I wanted to do this YouTube video just to talk a little bit about what I'm seeing. But anyways, this is downtown Buffalo, New York. We're about 20 minutes from Niagara Falls. It sounded like they got a flat tire, but anyways, about 20 minutes from outside of Niagara Falls. And this is my first time in downtown Buffalo. It's about 6:30 p.m. You can see there's not a lot of people out, but this is Main Street right here. Gonna take a walk. Very surprised. I came down here about an hour ago. It looked like it was gonna rain, but it stopped. So now I'm able to do this video, and I'm very surprised just to see there's not a lot of people out. And this is Main Street, so I'm thinking Main Street is like the main street, you know what I mean? Beautiful buildings though, we'll check them out up here. Just not a lot of people. This is my first time seeing all this. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, it's the second time I've seen this, because I actually was walking the other way. I've already seen all this, but now I'm on the way back. So in the last hour, this is my first time seeing all this. That's a nice building over here. But yeah, I walked this way, and then now I'm coming this way because I wanted to do some photos first, and then now I'm doing the video. This is a Buffalo Savings Bank right here. So they have like a metro right here, like a rail. I didn't know that until I first got here, but you can get tickets in there. You get kind of people hanging out, but you get that like waterfall over there. But you can get like bus tickets right there. And you can just wait in there until the rail comes. It's gonna come in a couple minutes. It's a beautiful building. Buffalo Savings Bank. And we'll go over here. Oh, you might be able to see that came down. We'll see what we see. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful city. Not too dirty. A lot of old historical buildings. It's not a lot of people, which could be a good thing though, depending on how you look at it, you know? Even driving into the city, it wasn't that bad at all. I was expecting a lot of traffic, but there wasn't that much traffic at all. You see, you got some restaurants over there across the street. Yeah, they got that thing down over there. But they call that electric tower right there. You can see a lot of older buildings. You'll be able to see the City Hall towards the end of the video. You'll be able to see the City Hall and another monument. I'm trying to think of the name of it, but you'll like it. So maybe you'll see, but yeah, I'm surprised just because like I've been to quite a few cities, and I'm surprised there's not a lot of people out here. It's like 6:30 p.m. But you can see like over there, not a lot of these buildings over here are filled. Like that one's empty, that one's empty. So you got a lot of buildings that are empty. I don't know if that's because of the economy or what. You see that out there? That's a nice building. Yeah, but yeah, you can see they got a rail right here. It's not too dirty. I don't feel, I don't feel in danger at all. It's just so quiet. A little bit of graffiti over there. But yeah, easy to find parking. Yeah, it's hard to believe how quiet it is. And I consider Detroit kind of not like not populated, but better, like more people than this. It's an interesting vibe, that's for sure. Maybe everybody just hangs out around Niagara Falls or something, I don't know. This is my first time down here though, so I can't really compare it to other times. But it's not that bad. But you can see there's not a lot of people. You get a couple people in there just waiting. President Joe Biden's bipartisan infrastructure. It looks like a lot of construction. We'll keep walking. Say hi to me. You see me? Say hi to me. I don't know what any of these buildings are. We'll just keep walking. In about another block or two, we'll make a right. You'll be able to see the city hall. That's gonna be a nice building. You're gonna wanna stick around till the end, and the monument. It looks like a lot of construction. You got the Hilton Garden Inn, and down there is the Holiday Inn. A lot of these places are pretty expensive too. I noticed that around Niagara Falls, it can get pretty expensive. So another alternative is to stay here. You can stay here, about 20 minutes away. Oh, I think I hear something. Oh yeah. We'll keep walking though, because it moves slow. It's not like the trains in China that go 300 miles an hour. These ones are pretty slow. Yeah, you're gonna see it. See, that's a nice monument right there. Yeah, let me know what you think about Buffalo in the comments below. It's kind of interesting doing a video in a downtown area that I don't know anything about, because I like talking about the buildings. But this is very interesting. Yep, Main Street. We'll make a right. You see down there? That's the Buffalo City Hall. Liberty Building's right there. And you got the monument right there. And this is Main Street. We're just gonna hang out right here. Watch this metro go by and let me know what you think in the comments below. I normally do videos of Detroit. But when I travel, I do a video. I like doing videos. So wherever I go, I do YouTube videos. So I really appreciate you checking out my video, and let me know what you think about Buffalo in the comments below. Thank you.